Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips NT3000 nose trimmer. This is a nose hair trimmer from Philips. The model number is NT3650/16. You can see what this particular nose hair trimmer looks like and also check out some of the components here. This particular nose hair trimmer comes with ultimate comfort without pulling, protective guard system for painless trimming. This is good for nose, ear and brow as well. It's also a pouch. Not to mention this is fully washable. And as mentioned earlier, protective guard system right over here, fully washable, precision trimming. That's all the information in this box. I will open this and show you what's inside. So there you go. These are the components of the box. First up, we have some documents. Let's quickly take a look at what these are. And there you go. This is basically important safety information for this particular product. It's written over here. This is the warranty card for this product, for the nose hair trimmer. And this is of course the user manual for the Philips NT3650 and 5650 nose hair trimmer. Everything that you want to know is listed over here. This is a carry pouch from Philips. This is the one that you'll be using to store this instead of this box over here. So it's a nice touch. This is a AA battery. This is the battery that you'll use to power this device. And you also have two comb attachments right over here. You can see the two comb attachments. Now let's take a look at the Philips NT3000 nose trimmer. This is what it looks like. It comes with this piano black and chrome finish. This is made out of plastic, by the way. This is not metallic, but it has this chrome finish to it and also this ergonomic form factor as well. Look, there's also this design at the handle area. This is the button that you'll use to turn it on and off. It's not turning on right now because this particular sticker is preventing the battery from getting connected. At the base over here, you insert the battery through here actually. At the base over here, you'll notice two markers. There's one marker here and one marker here. You just have to make sure that these markers meet. So you twist like so, and the markers have met. Now you pull, and this is where your battery goes in. There's a marker over here that tells you how the battery will go in. So let's just do that. The AA battery is in. Now we insert it back over here, and there you go. It's fit. The battery is in right now. These are your blades. These are very tiny blades here. You can attach all the combs that will be attaching over here, as you can see. And now let's turn this on. You heard that? It works absolutely fine. The head is removable because it has the same logic applied over here as well. So you twist and pull, and there you go. You can see the motor right over here. There you go. This is what the motor looks like. This part is not washable, but this part is. So when you want to clean, you can clean this bit. You can clean this bit, not this bit. And one second, I'll put this back in. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Philips NT3000 nose trimmer. The model number is NT3650/16.